Hey, how you doing? Tori is here. Today I'm coming with a short video tutorial where we are going to apply a Paperlike screen protector on an iPad Pro. So I start with wiping off the fingerprints with a microfiber cloth, removing as much dirt as possible. The next step is to line the screen protector up with the iPad and use the little guide stickers to keep it in place. Once we are happy with the position, we can push down the stickers on the surface that we are working with. And later on, by holding the screen protector and the iPad, we just push it to the side so the sticker will end up on the back of the iPad. Let's do some more cleaning with the included wet wipes. Just need to make sure that nothing ends up between the screen and the screen protector. Then I'm gonna do some drying with the included dry wipe. And then I just use this little dust remove sticker to remove any small remaining dust particles. So by removing the inside layer of the screen protector, we can now lower it down on the iPad and then we can start getting rid of the bubbles with a credit card, for example. And that's about it. After removing the top layer, we can enjoy our Paperlike screen protector. Let me know what do you think about this video in the comment section down below. Leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you are a fan. Thank you ever so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.